Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Mi An beach. Isn't this the prettiest beach you can imagine? Immaculate, splendid beach. Wow, wow, wow. Look at what this Marcus is doing. Some kind of old man stretching yoga? I'm not sure. Marcus, what are you doing? Stretching?
Yeah.
With your Crocs?
Yeah, of course with my Crocs.
Yo.
You have to stretch before it goes to the workout. Yeah.
All right, guys. Oh, we're gonna take a little stroll here. Oh, it's brutally hot in the sun. You better stay out the sun, guys. You better stay out the sun. Whew.
Then we should go on the other side, on the opposite.
Yes. Let's check out how the An Thuong night market is looking now.
Yeah.
But it's a night market, so it's obviously not open yet. Some places are already open, but I think it's too brutally hot right now. Too brutally hot. I will also show you today the An Thuong one. Yo, Marcus, I gotta show you something, okay? There's a new fruit store I saw on TikTok. It's in this street, and we're gonna explore that now. We will actually find out what is new in the An Thuong one. Lots of people actually ignore the street at all because there's not much on it. They have maybe 11.5 hotels, actually good value, but not that pretty, not that fancy. But it is the closest street to the beach, actually.
I know why nobody knows this street. Look at this.
Oh.
It's just the back side of the hotels.
Yeah, I mean, this is not really a hotel. This is just like a abandoned building. They did not finish this thing. But you have here, starting with spas. Guys, we got spas. And then somewhere here on the right side should be the smoothie place. What I really like about this place here is it is really cool, actually. It is really cool because it's in the shade and there's a nice little breeze going on. So, and this is the first coffee here. No, this is just a coffee. Yeah, a cool coffee shop. Very hip, huh? Crazy. It's also new. I don't know what this is. It's a residence. Big balconies though. And this is also new now, I think, with Korean signs on it. Oh, look at this.
90 minutes. It's
Surfing.
800,000. I think with the it's a lesson with the trainer.
Ah, and you can rent it for 150,000 for 2 hours. All right. Hi. But somewhere here should be. I don't know where it is, Marcus. Oh, there it is. There it is. What does it call? Pick your fruit and Droppy will slice it fresh for you.
Wow.
So what you can do here, the fresh fruit, smoothies, bowls. That's pretty nice. Hello.
Hello.
Just want to see what you have here. Oh, this looks so nice. Nice AC.
The tip jars.
Japan trip and Europe trip. Okay, guys. So at least you know for what you're tipping, guys. That's very nice.
It's
Awesome.
a competition.
All right. What do we have here? Germany. Oh, you know what they have here? Oh, guys, do you need ginger shots? That's where you get them from.
I want ginger.
That's a hippie thing. Awesome.
And this one?
Ginger shot to bit lighter.
This is lighter.
A lighter ginger shot. Okay, Marcus, now you're getting healthy. Woo, ooh, ooh. And you even got mangosteen here, if you want to have some mangosteen. And so what you do is you pick a fruit and then you slice it.
Yeah.
So this is the perfect thing for lazy men like us, Marcus.
I'm here
Right?
every day now.
So you want to just have fruit sliced up freshly?
Yes.
Just come here, okay?
Wow.
All right. And you have juices. You got watermelon juice, pineapple juice, coconut, Mickey bowl, smoothie bowls, and smoothies.
So
Alright.
this shot is 30,000. So it's a
30,000.
something.
Oh,
1
that's
euro.
good for ginger shots, huh?
Perfect.
All right. But I want to see your face when you drink that.
Slowly because it's so strong.
It's strong?
Yes.
Oh.
Because I'm a European, I put here the 20.
All right.
Oh.
Oh.
Europe needs
Europe.
It's
All right. right. Bye bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So, yeah. What I saw about that is this. I think it was the owner. I'm not sure. Maybe I don't remember the face, but the story I remember. So, basically, this Vietnamese lady, she stopped her job in IT, and just opened up her shop here, and she did it all herself, and she documented the process on TikTok.
To be honest, I like it.
Yeah.
It's just they have the fruits, and also they saw they had it on it. It's protein powder.
Oh.
Somehow they will serve you protein powder too. So it's a perfect job.
Okay, guys.
To be honest.
Yeah, support small businesses, guys.
Yeah.
If you want to have a smoothie bowl, just go there.
Nobody needs.
Say hi from Social Sammy. Support them. I don't know who was the boss or if there was a boss, but they're very nice people.
And also, it's a good workout. To be honest, because now you have to shake it very hard. And some of you know.
All right. Just drink it now. It's all right. It's all right. So I want to see your face, man.
Yeah. So then.
$30,000 for a ginger? It's a lot in there.
Oh Jesus! Yeah, she was right.
Oh my God.
Wow, this is like pure.
Okay, I tried.
You want it, huh? Don't take so much. You will feel it. You know, this is almost what my mom told me. But it don't taste good. It's healthy.
I need a drink, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is toxic. My God. My God. Guys, it tastes so crazy like ginger. This is brutal. That's brutal.
It do not taste bad. It's ginger.
Yeah, it's brutally ginger taste. It's like there's no sugar in there at all. Okay, thank you. Oh, all right, guys. Whew. Oh, my mouth's still burning.
So, do you think I can bring this back so that I can reuse it?
No, I don't think so. Oh my God.
Now
Guys.
now I have a hiccup.
Oh, you can have my drink too. This is the strongest ginger I've ever experienced.
She said, drink it slowly. Oops. I swear, I have a hiccup.
Oh God. Oh.
So, it's a new challenge. If you come here, we can drink it together.
Okay. But I feel like, I think if you are, if you're sick, if you have a fever or flu or something like that, getting one of those will get you back in track.
You know why? After this taste, you have to struggle with this and not with the sickness.
Yes, I'm sweating a little bit, man. Oh God. I haven't had a ginger shot for many years, but I cannot remember that it was so strong.
But to be honest, I think it's good.
And
It's so
there's
strong.
definitely no sugar in there.
No.
I feel like I don't know what kind of liquid that is. It tastes a little bit like, wow.
Oh, look at this. They want to open a palm.
Palm pizza. Wow. That's new.
They're closed down. These Bumbo egg. Here, look at this. They're closed down.
So many new spots here on the street, guys. This is the Chan Bak Dan Street.
Oh, I feel this heat.
Yeah.
It's coming up. I think this is the health.
I think I'm already more healthy now.
Oh yeah. You look much better.
So please, if you are a ginger shot guy or girl, if you are experienced with that, go there and try it and let me know how it was.
Yeah.
I think this is the strongest ginger I've ever experienced in my life. But 100% healthy,
Yeah.
because there's no sugar or fun things in there. I feel like sometimes you have those ginger shots with some orange juice or something, you know, a little bit mixed up.
Like soft.
But this is like essence. Wow. Hey, Do you know the spa for men? Yeah, it's only for men.
Really?
Maximum premium spa.
Is it this kind of premium spa?
I have no idea what that is.
Maybe I should take it.
But
Just-
but it's only for a man, not for men.
Oh, okay.
So it's only for one man. So we cannot go in there because it's only for one, singular. All right. Oh, Sofiana Hotel. Oh, I'm so hot. Oh, actually, there's a pho place now here. Marcus, have you ever seen this pho place? No, right? I feel like this is new. Oh, and but they have also the pho with the
Red
hot
wine?
stone thingy. De bata. Oza. And they have 50,000 dong bonnet.
Oh, banana.
Bonnet, buncha, all good stuff. Okay.
New? Yeah. It's new.
Ah, okay, okay, cool.
1 week? No, 1 day?
1 month?
Yeah, 1 month.
1 month. Ah, okay. So
Wow.
that's new. I've never
Yeah.
filmed this. So this is a brand new spot where you can get all your Vietnamese essentials right here in the heart. Yeah, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, guys, so this is the fourth location, guys. So they are already big in business.
Big.
Oh, okay, cool.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
all right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. We'll come back. Bye bye.
We will come back, yes.
Awesome. Guys, support small businesses. Always support small business. But actually, they are not small business. But maybe they're good anyways. Because it's the fourth location, right?
Yeah.
But still, there are not big corporations. It's just like one concept worked pretty out well.
Yeah.
And now they're just going out and having more locations.
Oh, it seems they have live music.
Yeah, yeah. How do you, mate?
All right, sir.
Some kind of event is going on there today. We're back in the Hoan Kivim. That's the Hoan Kivim street, right? Yes, that is Hoan Kivim. Oh. Phew. Is there any AC place here?
Maybe the coffee place here.
Yeah.
On the corner where the coffee is very good,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
it's
yeah.
a little bit more pricey. DNG.
Just walk, yeah. I still cannot. Oh my god, it was so funny. The other day, Marcus and we filmed a video for the German channel.
Ah, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, we filmed a video for the German channel.
Yeah, shorty. He say, hey, shorty.
I hate these tall subscribers. I have a handful of people who are taller than me when I meet them. It is not nice. Yeah, so what happened to Marcus was like, oh, I'm gonna show some legs on the street. Just as a fun thing that he gets picked up or something.
Yeah.
And then there was literally a Grab driver on a motorbike driving by and saying, I love you!
Yeah. Because, you know, I did this. Just... and yeah.
Yeah, that was so funny. It was an instant thing. That was so funny. That was so funny. And then some other Grab drivers and car drivers also pulled up and said, hey, should I drive you somewhere? But at the end of the day, we did not find the bus yet. We were at the bus station again. That is the third time we tried to get the bus to Hoi An. Still not possible, guys. If you know how it works, comment below. We want to do this for a video. I would never wait for a bus
You know what?
for
This
not
is
a
the reason
video.
why we called experts.
Yeah. I'm not an expert in taking a bus, man. Why taking a bus when you drive for $8 to Hoi An, right?
I don't know.
But yeah, so still, we want to film the bus. Please help us, tell us how we can get the bus. Look at this, a Maybach. That's what we need.
There's the money. Rich.
He's from 30. He's a Hanoian. Hanoi money. All right, guys, what's going on here? This is coordinated chaos. So this is just standing now. This is what you see. Like I saw at least 5
Violations.
No. I mean, accidents are here on this intersection, guys. Always be careful driving in here. Usually, some locals honk instead of taking the brake. So be aware of that. That looks kind of cool. It's a VF7. Oh, which AC place should we go, Marcus? Even Sammy is inside now. It's too hot for him. Oh, this is actually pretty cool here. So it is cool. It's a nice breeze if you want to sit here. But no matter what, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is a little bit of a An Thuong update, okay? So check out this. I don't know. We should have asked what the owner's name is. I don't know. But it's super nice lady, so.
But also we can have the German word bis zum nächsten Mal.
Yeah.
So it's 3 words.
Bis zum nächsten Mal. See you later, alligator. And check out this video.